The trading mindset that separates winners from losers. Introduction. What if I told you that most traders are not losing because of their strategy? Most beginners believe they need a better indicator, a better signal, a better entry, a better system. But after years in the market, many traders discover a surprising truth. The biggest battle in trading is not against the market. It's against yourself. The market doesn't care about your hopes. It doesn't care about your fears. It doesn't care how badly you want to win. That's why two traders can use the exact same strategy and get completely different results. One becomes consistently profitable. The other continues losing money. The difference is mindset. In this video, we're going to explore the trading mindset that separates winners from losers and how you can start developing it today. Let's begin. Chapter 1: Why Mindset Matters More Than Strategy. Most beginner traders spend months searching for the perfect strategy. They jump from one indicator to another, one YouTube video to another, one trading course to another. They believe success is hidden inside some secret formula. But here's the reality. Many successful traders use relatively simple strategies. Some use moving averages. Some use support and resistance. Some use price action. The strategy itself is rarely the biggest factor. The problem is execution. A trader may have a profitable strategy but fail because they cannot control their emotions. They enter too early. They exit too late. They ignore their stop loss. They break their own rules. Without the right mindset, even a good strategy can fail. Chapter 2: Winners Think Long Term. One of the biggest differences between winners and losers is time perspective. Losers focus on today. Winners focus on years. A losing trader asks, "How much money can I make this week?" A winning trader asks, "How can I improve over the next 5 years?" Professional traders understand that success takes time. They don't expect to become millionaires overnight. They understand that trading is a skill. And like any skill, it requires practice. Patience allows traders to survive long enough to develop experience. Without patience, most traders quit before they ever become good. Chapter 3: Winners Accept Losses. Nobody likes losing money. But successful traders understand something important. Losses are part of the business. Even the best traders in the world lose trades. No strategy wins 100% of the time. No trader is right all the time. The difference is that winners accept losses quickly. They don't take losses personally. They don't see a losing trade as a failure. They see it as a normal business expense. Losers often do the opposite. They become angry. They become emotional. They try to win the money back immediately. This often leads to even bigger losses. Successful traders understand that one trade means very little. What matters is long-term consistency. Chapter 4: Winners Control Their Emotions. Fear and greed are responsible for countless trading losses. Fear causes traders to hesitate. They miss opportunities. They close winning trades too early. Greed causes traders to take unnecessary risks. They hold losing trades hoping the market will turn around. They risk too much because they want quick profits. Professional traders understand that emotions cannot be eliminated. But they can be controlled. The goal is not to become emotionless. The goal is to make decisions based on logic rather than emotion. Every time emotions take control, discipline disappears. And when discipline disappears, losses often follow. Chapter 5: Winners Focus on Process, Not Profits. Most beginners focus on money. How much they made. How much they lost. How much they want to earn. This creates pressure. And pressure leads to mistakes. Successful traders focus on process. They ask, "Did I follow my plan? Did I manage risk properly? Did I execute correctly?" If the answer is yes, they consider it a successful trade regardless of the outcome. Because they understand that good decisions create good results over time. Profits are the result of a strong process, not the other way around. Chapter 6: Winners protect their capital. One of the most important lessons in trading is simple. Protect your capital. Without capital, there is no trading. Many beginners focus entirely on making money. Professional traders focus first on avoiding unnecessary losses. Imagine two traders. One makes 50% profit but risks everything. The other makes 10% profit while carefully protecting their account. Which trader is more likely to survive long term? The answer is obvious. Survival is the foundation of success. That's why risk management is one of the most important skills a trader can develop. Chapter 7: Winners stay patient. Patience is one of the most underrated skills in trading. The market can be boring. Hours pass without opportunities. Days pass without ideal setups. Many traders become impatient. They force trades simply because they want action. But successful traders understand that waiting is part of the job. A professional trader may spend hours doing nothing. And that's perfectly okay. They know that one quality trade is often worth more than 10 poor trades. Patience protects traders from unnecessary mistakes. And in trading, avoiding mistakes is often more important than finding opportunities. Chapter 8: Winners learn from mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. The question is, what happens next? Losers blame the market. They blame brokers. They blame manipulation. They blame everything except themselves. Winners take responsibility. They review their trades. They keep journals. They analyze what went wrong. They search for lessons. Every mistake becomes an opportunity to improve. This mindset creates continuous growth. And continuous growth eventually leads to better performance. Chapter 9: Winners never stop learning. Financial markets constantly change. New technologies appear. Economic conditions evolve. Market behavior shifts. Successful traders understand that learning never ends. They read books. They study charts. They review history. They learn from both winners and losers. The moment a trader believes they know everything is often the moment they stop improving. The best traders remain students forever. Because curiosity leads to growth. And growth leads to progress. Chapter 10: Building your winning trading mindset. So how do you build a winning mindset? Start with these habits. Accept that losses are part of trading. Focus on risk management. Think long term. Control your emotions. Follow a trading plan. Keep a trading journal. Review your mistakes. Stay patient. Never stop learning. And most importantly, focus on becoming a better trader rather than making quick money. Because trading success is rarely the result of one big decision. It's the result of thousands of small, disciplined decisions made consistently over time. Conclusion: the difference between winning traders and losing traders is not intelligence. It's not luck. And it's not some secret strategy. It's mindset. Winners think differently. They manage risk. They stay patient. They control emotions. They focus on process. And they continue learning every day. Remember this: the market rewards discipline more than excitement. So instead of asking, what strategy will make me rich? Ask yourself, what mindset will help me succeed? Because when your mindset improves, your decisions improve. And when your decisions improve, your results often follow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Disclaimer: warning, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.